Hello everyone and welcome to Moementum channel. In this video, we want to review the best and worst performing stocks in 2020, focusing on the Dow Jones Companies and their performance. As you might know, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, or simply known as the Dow, is a stock market index that measures the stock performance of 30 large companies listed on the American Stock Exchange. It is the second oldest US market index after the Dow Jones Transportation Average, and it's been created by the Wall Street Journal editor and Dow Jones Company co-founder Charles Dow. Without any further ado, let's get into it and review the best and worst performing Dow Jones stocks. We'll start with the worst performings and make our way to the best performing ones from there. In the 30th rank and the worst performing stock, we have ExxonMobil. The performance of ExxonMobil year to date has been minus 12.20%, and the current stock price for this company is $61.27. Next, we have the Dow Chemical, which is a chemical company listed on the Dow Jones stock. The current price for this company is $49.38, and the return year to date has been negative 9.78%. Next on the board, we have Merck, which is a pharmaceutical company. The return for the stock has been also negative and has been at negative 8.47%. Rank number 27, we have Walgreens, which is a retail store company, and the return has been negative 7.62%. Next, we have 3M, which is a conglomerate company, and the return year to date in 2020 has been negative 7.15%. Next on the list, we have Chevron, which is a petroleum company. The return for this company has also been negative and currently sits at negative 7.03%. Next on the list, we have Caterpillar, which is in the mining and construction business. The performance has been negative 5.48%. Adding on to our negative performance for Dow in 2020, we have Verizon with a performance of negative 5.16%. Next on the list, we have Pfizer, which is a pharmaceutical company with a negative performance of 3.68%. Next on the list, we have Walmart, and the performance has been again a negative performance of 2.52% in 2020 year to date. Just a reminder before we continue, 14 of the 30 companies on the Dow Jones are currently having a performance of negative, whereas this other 16 of them have a positive performance. So let's take a look at the remaining on our negative list. Disney, this might come across as a surprise. In fact, I was surprised by it, given the fact that Disney had a very good run. Partly is because they had a very excellent run towards the end of the year, and as New Year started, the company has not been performing as well. They're currently sitting at minus 1.92% performance year to date in 2020. Next on the list, we have Procter & Gamble. Their performance has been negative 1.16%. Then on the list, we have JP Morgan, which is a financial services company, currently sitting at a stock price of $138 and showing a negative performance of 1% year to date in 2020. Next on the list, we have Travelers Companies Incorporated, and the performance has been negative 0.91%. And have finally reversed in terms of direction, starting to take a look at our better performing companies that have a positive return. Here on the list, we have Nike. The current stock price for this company is $103 USD, and the performance has been 1.67% year to date. Next on the list, we have United Health Company with a performance of 3.23%. Next on the list, we have Johnson & Johnson with a performance of 3.58% positive. Next to it, we have United Technologies, which is a healthcare company, and the performance year to date has been 3.62%. On the 12th spot, in terms of the best performing Dow Jones stocks, we have Goldman Sachs, which is a financial service company, currently sitting at $238.65, and the performance year to date of 3.79%. On the 11th spot, we have Cisco, which is an IT information technology company with year-to-date performance of 4.11%. Boeing is on the 10th spot of best performing Dow Jones stocks, and the current price for this company is at $347.45, and the performance year-to-date has been 6.66%. On the 9th spot, we have American Express. It's a financial sector company with a performance of 7.03% year-to-date. On our 8th spot, we have Coca-Cola, which is a consumer goods company and as well as food services company with a performance of 7.34%. On the 7th spot, we have McDonald's, food service and restaurant industry company, currently sitting at $217.46. The year-to-date performance for McDonald's has been 10.05%. On the 6th spot, we have Visa, which is a financial services company, and the performance has been a decent 10.40%. Next on our list, we have Home Depot with a performance of 10.63%. On the 4th spot, and we're getting there to our top 3 spots. On the 4th spot, we have Apple, a well-known company in information technology with a performance of 11.43%. Can you guess what is the third company? Yes, you guessed it right. The third company on our list is Intel, a similar industry with 12.72% performance. On the 2nd spot, we have IBM with a staggering performance of 15.87% year-to-date since the beginning of 2020. And our best performing company in stock in Dow Jones has been Microsoft with a phenomenal performance of 17.13%, currently sitting at $184.71. There you have it, folks. The worst to best performing stocks in the Dow Jones Industrial. Leave us a comment down below and let us know whether you own any of these companies. Do you intend to expand your position and buy more shares of these companies, or perhaps plan to rank the register and sell some of your stocks? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. On Moementum channel, we post weekly videos about finances, investing in the stock market, and personal development. Hope to see you next time.